Hey guys, look at me. Look at me now. So today you're going to see me get my Ari Lennox bun, and I'm starting off by going in with Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to go in with a brush once I have put in the leave-in conditioner. And then I'm gonna go in with this water mixture. It has a lot of essential oils, a little bit more of the leave-in conditioner. It's all in there, but wait. Yeah, I really messed it up. So now I'm going in with the water just to make my hair a little bit more manageable. So what you see me doing here is brushing my hair in an upward position because I do want the bun to be directly in the top center of my head. Now I'm going to go ahead and section it off, and I'm going to apply my most prized hair possession right smack dab in the middle of that. That is my Style Factor Edge Booster. So now I'm going against my perimeter, and I had to get another package of my Style Factor opened up. So yes, going on with the edges, sectioning off the top, and once again, I'm just applying the Style Factor Edge Booster to give me a sleek, slick surface to work with, okay? So once you get the Edge Booster applied, you need to go in with a hard bristled brush and brush. Yeah, because I have 4C hair, y'all, so I have to brush it. More Style Factor, guys, more Style Factor. I really need my hair to cooperate with me, and she only listens to Style Factor Edge Booster, okay? So if you haven't already seen all the agony and pain, yes, I got my hair pulled up into a ponytail with the strength of Style Factor and God. But then I have these, guys, I don't even know what to call it, struggle back, because my hair is cut short. You've probably seen it in a different video, but I have the struggle back going on, and I have to get bobby pins to assist me in getting my hair to lay down. So another weapon in my arsenal to attack my 4C hair is my styling strips. It also helps me in getting my hair to cooperate. So guys, I am always putting about 32,000 styling strips just to get my hair to lay down. It gets the job done. They are very inexpensive in your local beauty supply. Y'all, they will change the game for your slick hairstyles. So I really don't know why I left this much of me applying styling strips in this video, but I did. So guys, yeah, this is really the process that it takes for me to get my hair into the Ari Lennox bun. Honestly, it would be a bit easier if I started off with damp hair instead of trying to dampen my hair once it had already air dried. I pretty much had to stretch it, get it moisturized, things like that. So there is a hack to this hairstyle, and that's starting off with damp hair. So now that I've got my styling strips applied, I am just going to secure them, and I'm going to secure the styling strips with some pins and also my handy dandy sleeping bandana. Yeah, I wasn't gonna be able to sleep in those pins. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed actually for the night, and then we're going to try this again when I wake up. So yeah, today we're gonna go and give our edges a little bit of tender love and care. Guys, do not come for my edges. I already know. They're gone, okay? Okay. But yeah, we're just gonna go in doing the same method, applying the water combination along with the Style Factor Edge Booster, and my camera was not having it, So it just started falling. Everything started falling, honestly, guys. So give me a minute. Okay, so we're back with my favorite tool. It's like the comb brush part thing. I have no idea what this is called, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Like, we know I have struggle edges right now. They're a work in progress. I'm gonna get them back. And this actually helps me to maneuver my edges so well. Like, the toothbrush does not give me the same type of outcome as this tool. Get you one, get you one. Girl, look at them edges. Yes. Okay, so they look absolutely terrible right now, but I promise the outcome, it's gonna leave you so satisfied, so satisfied. So just keep looking, guys, keep looking. So really, honestly, truly, you have already seen this part in a previous video. What I'm doing right now is just getting the ponytail Marley hair on, and I am shaping my bun how I desire it to be on top of my head. I don't know if this is what Ari really has to do. Her tutorial would probably be so much more easier than mine, but guys, what did I tell you? Sometimes you have to use what you got to get what you need. So I promise this is the last time that you'll have to see me tie and untie my hair. But I really like to do this because I do not sit under a hair dryer. I really like to do this to ensure my hair is as slick as I could possibly get it without applying any heat. So stay tuned for the final look. Bow, bow, bow. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and share, and tell Ari to come see about my bun. Does she approve? All right, bye guys. Thanks for watching.